Assalamualaikum everyone, you are watching Software Buddy. I hope that you all will be fine. So we will be discussing the assignment and some other operators in the R programming language. We have already used them in some of examples previously. The assignment operators are being used for the assigning value to the variables. So the first assignment operator we have is this equals to operator. This operator is used as x equals to 8. The next assignment operator we have is this less than and hyphen sign. It is also used to assign the values to the variables. Considering above example, we can write it as x, this sign, and then the value which is 8. We have another assignment operator known as the right assignment operator. Although it is not commonly used, but it is a way to assign the values. So this operator is used as value, then this operator, and then the variable. It is not recommended to use this one. So let's have the look at some other operators. The first operator is this colon operator. We have seen it in our previous videos. This operator is used for creating the range. It is a range operator and creates range of numbers. It is written as this. The second operator is this in operator. This operator is used to check whether a value or element belongs to the given vector or not. It is used like this. So it checks if the scalar x is present in the vector y or not. The next operator we have is this percentage sign, multiplication sign, and then percentage sign. Can you recall what is the purpose of this operator? We have already discussed it in the previous videos. It is the operator used for the vector multiplication. It is used for multiplying the vectors with each other. I'm not going to explain it here because I have made a complete video on it. I have provided the link in the description box and you can also see the video up in the card button. When you are using this operator, you have to keep in mind that you have to follow all the matrix multiplication rules discussed in the previous videos. The syntax of this operator is first matrix, then the operator sign, and then the second matrix. Now let's see the examples of these two operators in the R Studio. So for the colon operator, let's take an example. So x is equals to from 5 to 13. Press enter and display it. Now you can see that it has printed the value from 5 to 13. Now if you notice that it has also included the last value in the range. This means that this function uses the less than equals to, not the less than. So that's why the last value is also included in it. Now let's see the example of in operator. For it, first of all, we have to create the vector and assign a value to the variable. So this is our vector. And now let's assign the value 7 to the variable. So now let's use this in operator. So we percentage sign in, then again the percentage sign, and the vector's name which is u. So as you can see, it returns true, which means it is present in the vector, which is also a true. Let's see another example. So 12 percentage sign in percentage sign u. So as 12 is not present in the vector, it has returned the false value.